Hi guys, welcome to Girls World with Jay.
Yay!
What are we going to make today?
Slime!
Alright guys, now we're going to pour the glue in our plates.
Yeah, boy.
Pour all of it, Raven.
Okay. How much I can?
Good job.
How much I can? I made a pancake. Whoa. That's some syrup. That's so cool. Syrup. It's still leaving. I can make food like this.
Did you guys pour all of it out?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next step? Glitter. Alright guys, now pour your glitter in the glue.
You put all of it?
All of it. What colors do you have?
Green.
Purple.
And I blue.
What do you have, Dad?
Blue. Pink.
Do you guys like your colors?
Yeah.
Did you squeeze all of it out?
I think so.
I'm trying to. I gotta get as much as I can.
Do you need help, Jules?
A little bit.
We're artists. We're artists.
For the video.
What's that, Jay? What's that? What did you paint? I paint a banky. What did you paint, Jesse? I paint avian. What did you paint, Jay?
Swords.
Alright guys, the next step is baking soda.
Baking soda. What's that? Baking soda? I want to put it. I want to put it too.
First we're going to let Chelsea do it.
Yep. For hers. We don't need to pour it right
Next is Jazz.
Baking soda. You loaded up baking soda.
Next is Jay.
You loaded up baking soda.
And the last one is Raven.
My cookie.
Spiky dog can bust through the window.
Because if you pat on Spikey's head, you change it.
And I'm showing everybody how to do clear slime. Now we're going to do contact solution.
You put that in your eye.
This is a great day. Yeah, great day. And my turn.
It's Raven's turn.
Good job.
It's mixing time.
Almost. It's not mixing time yet.
Ew.
Put their colors in.
What did you do?
Put the colors in now.
Okay,
I
just
got
a
all
little
of
bit of colors.
I'll put a lot.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough.
Putting a lot.
That's enough. That's
Chelsea
enough.
needs a little bit.
That's enough. That's enough.
Good job, guys.
These are these are my hands.
That mine looks like this.
I was right there. Yours are like good.
Okay, now we need a little bit of water.
Yeah. Mine's really green a little bit. Make it move. Now it's mixed. Make it move. Yeah, it's really green. And my color green. I like this thing.
Yeah, me too. I love slime. I'm gonna throw it because
What is that one?
I'm making
I have put it.
clear slime.
Oh. Glitter. That white glitter?
It's clear. Okay, guys, are we ready to mix it?
Yeah.
All right, let's mix it.
All around.
Mix it all around.
This one is very so gooey. Mine's really gooey.
God.
It's so gooey.
It's really gooey.
Yeah, it's squishy.
You got to mix all of the colors together.
These are just one color.
Look at more here.
Mine's not
Look
my
at my clear
color.
slime, guys.
It's sticking on my hand. This is a kid. It's sticking on my hand.
Mine are really
Yeah, mine
This is
is
sticky.
It's sticking on my hand like Amazon. Amazon. You don't like zombie.
Do you have reptar slime?
Jay's making me poop. Gross. That's so gross.
It's gross and squishy.
really good.
I want the two hands. These real black. So disgusting. That's fine.
This is what the clear slime looks like. Now let's look at everybody else's slime.
Purple slime.
Blue slime. Sticky.
I am a zombie.
I am a blue zombie.
I am a
I'm
purple
a red zombie.
And you're a green zombie. I'm a blue zombie. I'm a...
I'm a blue zombie.
Okay, mine is coming out better.
And mine coming out too. Look at mine.
It was better than when it started. Look,
You're a liquor.
it's coming out perfectly. My hand.
You're liquor.
Your hand. Do like this, Kelsey.
You. It's in there.
This is...
This is great. I want some more glitter. I think I need some more.
We'll probably put all the glitter in there.
I did.
Okay, for our next activity, we're going to be doing colorful rain in a jar.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna make rain in a jar. Now we have shaving cream to make clouds.
Can I pull it?
Wait. Oh.
Eye cream. I like eye cream.
It's supposed to look like clouds.
It looks like ice. I mean, not ice cream, but whipping cream.
They're like around and around and around and around. Me too.
Now everybody has a
But
lot
I
of
look
clouds.
like eye cream.
All right, now take your drippers and get some colors. Get some colors, Jess,
I did it.
and drip it on the clouds. Raven needs help, guys.
I don't want to do it. I want to do it. Come on, see?
Uh-oh.
What's your dip?
Okay, let's look.
This is a fun
Look
day.
at everybody's rain in their jars.
I love this. Woo! I need to get some more.
Beautiful.
No, I can't.
Raven has blue rain.
Ah.
What color rain do you have, Jay?
Purple.
I have pink.
And what color do you have, Kelsey?
Green. This is a fun day.
Yep.
You guys are having fun?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gonna get everywhere.
Get it all.
Bye guys. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.